In this video, we're going to work with the homolateral pattern of the Bartenieff fundamentals, and I've linked a book for you down below in the description box of this video so you can learn more about the Bartenieff fundamentals. I've also got a free reflection tool for you to download in the description box of this video. It helps you track your body sensations, your thoughts and feelings that you experience before, during, and after doing this exercise. It's free for you to download. Hi, I'm Katarina. I'm a registered clinical counsellor and a registered dance movement therapist here in beautiful Australia, and I would like to urge you to please seek medical advice from your trusted medical professionals such as your doctor if you are concerned for your health before making any changes in your lifestyle. Please take it easy with your body and work with it wherever it's at any given moment in time. Don't jar yourself into any moves. We don't want to aggravate any pre-existing injuries or health conditions. Please work with what's available to you at any given moment in time. I have broken my wrist while ice skating, so I will take it easy with my arm today. So let's get right into it. Let's place our hands on our belly or leave them hanging to the side, whichever feels more comfortable to you, and take a deep breath in. We're going to breathe into our belly. So we're going to get a deep breath in. You may close your eyes if you wish, and then a longer exhale. That puts us into a parasympathetic nervous system state. Helps us reset our nervous system. Here we go. Let's do it one more time. And a longer exhale. Now we're going to start lifting our shoulder and our arm just on one side of our body, while our other side of our body is remaining stationary and stable. It helps us stabilize us. So the other side, so in my case, it's the right side of the body. If you're mirroring me, it's the left side of your body, can move, can mobilize. So this one is stable, so this side is mobilizing. So we're going to take our elbow and our shoulders up and gently circle it. Remember to work with what's available to you at any given moment in time. And then we're going to involve our legs. So we're going to step it to the side while we do this movement and step it back in. So we're going to step to the side, step it back in, step to the side, step it back in. And let this become a little bit rhythmic and bigger if that's available to you right now. It'll become a little bit of a flow. If you wish that your head can come along as well. All right. Now let's stabilize this side and work with the other side of our body. So I'm going to look a little bit funny, but yes, I'm going to use my elbow and my shoulder, just working with the arm while keeping your core engaged, but also keeping the other side of your body stable. Let's do that a couple more times. And let's now involve our leg as well. So we're going to step out and back, step out and back. There's a real shifting of weight happening here. So we're going to step out and back. And of course, your core will, engaging your core will help you with shifting that weight. All right, let's do that a couple more times. And come back to the center. Now, let's do a little bit of a balancing exercise. So we're going to lift one leg and stepping it down. Remember to engage your lower abdomen for your balance. So your other leg is helping you stabilize and then put it back down. It's very simple movement here. And let's lift it one more time. And we'll engage our our arm. So we're going to take our elbows to our knee. Again. Whee! Losing my balance now. Engaging our core, so we're going to take our our elbow to our knee. One more time. And we're going to now stabilize again and lift. Now we're going to stabilize through this side because we're going to lift the other leg. So we're going to lift. Remember to engage your lower abdomen, engage your core, be aware of your core. Always notice what happens. What happens in your shoulders while you do this? Do they start to tense up? What happens in your neck? What thoughts and feelings arise? So this is what the reflection tool is really useful for. You get to also draw and add colors to that as you do that, engage with that tool. One more time. Now we're going to add the arms. So we're going to try to reach for our knee with our elbow. Again, remember to engage that core. And now the other side of your body is supporting you. Let's do that a couple more times. I can certainly feel that in my butt cheek as well, the one that's supporting me. And my thigh as well. And let's take that down. Let's take a couple of deep breaths in to finish this off. So we're going to go into our knees and we're going to breathe in and out. And again, deep into our knees, breathe in and exhale through the mouth. Thank you so much for joining me. Remember the reflection tool and the book in the description box of this video. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.